Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, the hood's up and I'm in the garage, which means something must be going on with the BMW. And I'm making a minor cosmetic change to the car. Hopefully it turns out well. This is something should be pretty simple to do, but I'm not very mechanically inclined. Don't know a lot about cars, love them, but don't know how to fix them or work on them. So anything as minor or as major, as some might think, is major to me. But we're gonna give it a shot. What I wanna do today is replace the halogen bulbs in the angel eyes with an LED bulb. So one of the things I love about this car when you're driving down the street is it has the two circles, the angel eyes or the halo lights. And one of the things about the car though is because it's an older vehicle, they used halogen bulbs and they give off sort of a yellow hue. And I'm gonna replace those with LEDs and hope that the result is brighter, whiter lights and a more modern look to the vehicle. So we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go. There we go. We got one in and it was not easy. You don't have a lot of room to work in there, but look at that difference. Halogen, yellow, LED, bright white, baby. Look at that. Does flicker a little bit when it dims out, but I'm totally willing to put up with that because I think it modernizes the look of the vehicle and it looks so much better. So now I'm going to put the other one in, which I am not looking forward to, but then we'll see the end result, which I'm going to be very excited about. Here goes. I'll show you guys real quick. This is the space that you're working with. So you take off a cover and you go inside and you have all these wires in your way, and you can see that's the previous bulb with the red outline. So you have to take that bulb out. The new bulb that takes its place is much larger, and that's what makes it so difficult to fish it through the light housing. So here goes the other one. And there you have it. I'm all done with the install, and check it out. Look at these beautiful lights. The car looks so much more modern now. I love these lights. I think they came out great. And I'll put a link in the description below to these particular bulbs that I bought. I got them on Amazon, and you can have them too. Till next time, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.